So these are the instructions on how to create a resource notebook on an Apple iPad using the app OnSong. So the first step is to open your App Store and search for the app OnSong. And this app will look like this. It's a gray square with a black letter O inside the square. So you'll download that app. Once you've downloaded the app, you can click on it, and there are two main ways that you can add chord charts. So the first step is to click on the word songs up in the top left corner, and you want it at the top to say books. So the first step is to click on the plus sign down in the bottom right corner, and you're going to enter a book name. So for this demonstration, we'll start by creating a book under the genre of songs. So let's do rock for our genre. So you'll type rock and hit done. And the next step, we're going to click on that rock book. So now we need to add songs. So for this step, you're going to again click on the plus sign down in the bottom, and we are going to add a new song. So we'll click on new song here. Now in this part of the app, you can write a song if you choose to, but we're going to use an already created chord chart. So I'm going to erase what is here, and we're going to open our web browser, Safari, and we're going to look for the song Don't Stop Believing. So I'm going to type in Don't Stop Believing chord chart and search for that. Now I'm going to click on one of these chord charts that comes up, and we're going to copy and paste this chord chart. So copy the chord chart from the website, copy, then go back to your OnSong app and paste in that new page. And now the song is here. We're going to erase these words at the bottom that came from the web page. So now you want to go up to, I'm just going to erase the extra words and things that are on here. So that we just have the chord chart. Now you're going to click on this circle with the I in it, and here you can add the title of the song, which is Don't Stop Believing. You can add the artist, Journey. And under keywords, you can add the population that you think you would be using this song for. So let's say you're using it with older adults. So we are going to type in older adults for keywords. And then you hit done. And you go back to your books, and under your rock book, you have Don't Stop Believin', and here's the chord chart. Tells you what key it's in, the key of C, the artist, the title. Now, if you want, once you have multiple songs in here, if you want to look within a genre by population, the way to do that is to go to by topic. Down here at the bottom, you want to click where it says by topic, and you want to add a topic. So click on the plus, and this is where you would type in your population. So right now we're going to do older adults. And now you will see that Don't Stop Believin' is under older adults. So if you added multiple populations, you could separate your songs by genre. So you would have the rock genre, and then if you click on by topic, you would separate your rock songs further into the different populations that they would most likely be used with. So the second way to add a song is if you already have a chord chart file in Dropbox. So let's add this a separate way. Let's say you want to organize your songs originally by population. So what we're going to do is go back to where it says books, and we're going to click on the plus sign, and let's make the book this time by genre. So let's do older adults. Hit done. So now we want to click on this book, older adults, and we want to add a song. So we're going to again hit the plus sign, and this time we're going to add a song in Dropbox. So you can link your Dropbox account to your OnSong app. And that way, if you have chord charts already loaded into Dropbox, you can just import them into OnSong. So I already have a Don't Stop Believin' chord chart in Dropbox. So I'm going to click on this chord chart and hit import. And now this is a slightly different chord chart for Don't Stop Believin', but this is now imported into my older adults book. So what I can do for this is I can then separate in a book of a population, songs for a certain population, I can separate those songs by genre. So the way to do that is to click on the little pencil icon here. That's to edit this chord chart. And then go back and click on the circle with the I in it. That's the information. And under artist, I can again do journey. And under keywords, this time we're going to put the genre of the song. So we'll put rock. And then we'll say done. Now, when we go to our older adults book, we can again go by topic, and we're going to add the topic, add our genres. So now the topic will be rock. And now when we click on rock, this Don't Stop Believin' chord chart is what we will find under that topic. Now, there are a few other things you can do on this app. So let's go back to the original chord chart that we used. The headphone icon here on the top left allows you to connect a song that's in your iTunes library, or if you have a Spotify account, you can also connect music from your Spotify premium account. So you click on the headphones icon, and then you click on the little icon here with the music note in it, and then you can click if you want, you can choose if you want to connect a song that's currently in your iTunes library, or if you want to connect your Spotify account and load songs that way, so that you can listen to the song while playing through the chord chart if you're trying to learn a new song. Another thing that you can do is press on the star icon here, and that will allow you to either star, flag, arrow, or dot a song so that you can keep track of which songs you're still learning, which songs you know best, which songs are used most often with a certain client or a certain population, however you choose to use that. If you click on the little icon here that kind of looks like a piece of paper with the corner flipped up, that allows you to either put a sticky note on the page, and you can put notes for yourself on here, and the notes can be things like what strumming pattern you use, what picking pattern you use, various things like that, any sort of note you want to leave for yourself. You can also click on here and make a drawing on the page. so that you can draw if you need to make an arrow to note to go back and play a chorus another time, or skip a chorus one time, or whatever notes you might need to make for yourself. So there are a lot of different things you can do with this app. These are just kind of the basics, so have fun experimenting.